Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to perform batch task creation on Asana. This is the complete 2025 guide, so buckle up. First up, you're going to navigate to the project where you want to add your tasks. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Task button. The reason we do this is to open up the task creation window where you'll enter the details of your tasks. Next up, we're typing in the details of our first task. It's critical in this step to be as detailed as possible. This helps us because the more details we provide, the easier it will be for the team to understand and execute the task. Here's a neat trick. Instead of clicking Add Task again to create a new task, you can simply press Tab Q on your keyboard. This shortcut is a huge time saver when creating multiple tasks, so remember this one. Let me explain why this matters. It allows you to stay in the flow of task creation without having to move your cursor back and forth. But what if you have a long list of tasks? Well, you can simply paste them in. Navigate back to the Add Task button, and this time, paste your list into the task name field. Each line of text will be converted into a new task when you hit Enter. This is a massive time saver when you have a lot of tasks to create and they don't require much detail. Next, if your tasks have a common assignee or due date, you can set these in bulk too. Just select all the tasks you want to edit, click on the Assign or Due Date field, and make your changes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is applying your changes to all selected tasks, saving you the effort of doing it one by one. And there you have it. You've just mastered the art of batch task creation on Asana. You're now equipped to create multiple tasks in a flash, enhancing your project management efficiency. This process is all about saving time and improving productivity, so make sure to use it to its full potential. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the more tasks you can batch together, the more time you'll save. Until next time, keep finding ways to streamline your workflow.